Hello, this is Jess Hay, and I'm glad you're here. Well, dust off your washi tape or floral stickers and your nesting dies, and make this elegant framed card with me. To get started, I arranged these floral stickers from an old Luke Collins release onto some cardstock. I used the smaller floral stickers to fill in the corners and the edges. Now, I didn't end up filming the card on the left, but I did the same idea, but with black cardstock layers instead of gold. After that, I take my stacking rectangle dies and die cut both the gold cardstock and the floral cardstock, interchanging every other die with an alternating pattern. I put thin foam tape on the thin strip of the pattern paper and then just build it up layer by layer so that the top layer was the thickest and it stood up the most. I put glue on the foam, hoping it would give me some wiggle room as I was adjusting the layers, but it didn't really help, and I'm not sure why. Now, I made this as a Mother's Day card, but this could easily be turned into any kind of occasion card, such as a birthday or thinking of you. I finished off the card with some gold gems from Amazon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.